Hello, and hope you are feeling amazing today. Let's get one thing clear first. Weight loss is a pain. We hate it as much as you do. There's 1,000 things that get in a way to obtain that ideal weight and ideal body shape. From tempting meals to late-night snacks, not to include the time and energy required to go for a regular workout. If you have the same problems like most of us do, then this short clip shall really help you out in your weight loss journey. You can try adding this less-known secret used by the Asians to help in their weight loss program. The secret is ginger. Ginger is a root that has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including digestive issues, nausea, and inflammation. But very few do know that ginger can also be an effective tool for weight loss. Ginger has been commonly used as a traditional remedy in most parts of Asia for thousands of years. In fact, there are plenty of coaches and fitness gurus in Asia that recommend and consume ginger as a part of their daily diet. There are a number of reasons for this. The first is that ginger can help increase metabolism. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol. Gingerol has been proven to increase metabolism by up to 20%. This means that by doing the exact same thing that you have been doing, you can burn more calories by up to 20%. Even this on its own could lead to more weight loss. There's a study published in the journal Metabolism that found that consuming ginger can help increase the thermic effect of food. This means that the body would require more energy to digest and metabolize the food that you consume. In simple terms, this means that the body would require to burn more calories to break down the food that you eat. This means that just by simply adding ginger to your diet, you would be able to burn more calories throughout the day. Is this enough to convince you to take ginger regularly? Well, if not, then pay attention to the other amazing benefit of ginger for weight loss. Research showed that ginger can also help regulate blood sugar levels. When blood sugar levels are stable, the body is able to use insulin more efficiently. This tells the body to prevent the storage of excess fat. This ability of ginger is very important to help people with type 2 diabetes, because high blood sugar levels normally lead to weight gain and other health complications. Another benefit of ginger is that ginger can also help to reduce appetite. This might be super exciting for those of you that put on weight due to excessive eating and have an overactive appetite. There's a study published in the journal Metabolism that found that consuming ginger powder reduced feelings of hunger and increased feelings of fullness, leading to a decrease in overall calorie intake. Combined with the few other earlier benefits of ginger that we mentioned, this is already a home run for weight loss. But that's not all. Ginger can also help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation can lead to insulin resistance, which can make it harder for your body to burn fat. Ginger also helps the liver functions and helps the liver remove all unwanted fats and toxins from the body. Another benefit of ginger for weight loss is its ability to reduce stress. Whenever we are stressed, our bodies produce a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol increases appetite and causes us to store more fat. So it's not a surprise that you tend to eat more whenever you are stressed. Ginger has been shown to help reduce cortisol levels, which can help prevent stress-related weight gain. And the last benefit of ginger being an effective natural herb for weight loss is because ginger is a natural diuretic. In simple terms, it means that ginger can help you lose excess water weight. Ginger helps increase urine production. Although going back and forth the toilet might be tiring, this helps flush out excess fluids from the body. So, as you can see, ginger has many benefits for weight loss, including boosting metabolism, reducing appetite, reducing inflammation, reducing stress, and acting as a natural diuretic. If you are looking for a natural way to help in your weight loss, try including ginger in your diet. Ginger could be a simple and an effective way to help you reach your target body weight and shape. We do hope that today's health secret has helped you learn something about ginger and weight loss. Please share this secret to friends and families who are trying to lose some weight as well. Ginger might be the miracle secret that they need in their lives. We have more health secrets coming up tomorrow. Hope to see you again tomorrow. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.